bottom and then you go around the front there. You climb right and there's a cave that goes right
I mustn't, apparently. I missed.
And the guys used to, everybody say, we're going to go in that cave, we're going to go in the cave. And you get there and you look inside the cave, you say, okay, no, we're not going to go. So we've never been inside that cave. We've only looked inside and tried to go as much as your body can take. I don't know how far it goes down, but when you look in it, you can see it goes quite far inside. Then, we're after Kian Plaque, so you know Tristan did that whole ruins thing with the wood, and in the pamphlets at the church we all had what Tristan explained was Kian's ruins. It's a Viking terminology, and it's a Viking thing that they do. And then Tristan made a big log with ruins, and it spoke a lot about Kian and all the memory of Kian. Then what we did one night is we did like a little ceremony. And we burnt it. Did an offering. We burnt some of his clothes. And then we brought the ashes here. So the ashes are all around the rocks here and inside the cave. Okay. I just want to show you guys something here that I made here, and we're gonna place it. I don't mind if everybody can help me out with this. It's a freaking heavy thing. That's why my bag is so heavy. You put it inside here, Matthew, and take the bags of smaller. If you can't take a bag of without tilting it, without being it, put it straight up here. That would be a great idea if you can do that. Try. Everything that we have, this is Kian's towel. This rock came from Springbok. You guys, some of you guys might remember Butterfly picture, Matthew, in there. The rock. I took it home to Kirstenhof one day. Then my mom wanted some rocks. I said, nah, I'm not going to use it to stick the rocks. And she took the rock, and then I was there one day and I remembered I wanted to do this. So I took the rock back from her. And a friend of mine made this plate in the week. He does this as a job type thing. So we're gonna place it over there. There is another stone there. So this rock is also has significance for someone else. There's only a handful of people that do know about this spot. So I'm gonna secure the rock over there.
So, do you want to push me off?
Every time I come up here, I'll bring some more cement and just bring it with you. You can take it right. Do this big like. Put further forward. That's perfect. That's perfect. So you see there's another memorial stone here, someone else by the name of Mary Floyd here. Mary? Another rock, Kelly. Good. Here's a couple of video clips left in that Kian and Kelly sitting here. Beautiful view.
Yeah.
So where is it coming up from? That is Silvermine, that goes into the car forest.
Oh, okay,
That's where we ride the other day down at the bottom there.
Okay, no,
Yeah.